Everybody, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Huntington Bank customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser, and in the top left, this address bar, type down huntington.com and enter it. Once you get inside this homepage of Huntington, in the top right, there's this customer service. Select that. Under the customer service, you can scroll a bit down over here. You can find this frequently asked question. If you find relatable issues here, you can simply select that and you can open it. And over here, you can find the on-screen instruction here as well. Or next is you can select this icon, which is a virtual assistant. Select that. And over here, you can also type down any issue and you can enter it. And after that, virtual assistants will help you with. And virtual assistants will help you. Or next is you can select this contact us here. And over here, you can simply find this number for the general customer service, business banking, or credit cards. You can simply call their number and reach out to them. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.